EURUSD this week has found enough support around 1.06736 and it has been broken to the upside about 1.07825, very critical resistance for the price, and this has happened on a Tuesday. We can see that on a Monday the price has formed this small bullish candle, and then on the Tuesday the price has broke above this great candles that has been formed around this support, and it has stopped just around 1.08846, a next resistance after the great one, which is also a monthly resistance right now. This was also a confluence of resistance because we can see this uptrend trend line has been acted as a resistance, and this monthly horizontal resistance line has been formed together confluence of resistance, which should prevent the price from easily going above, but in this case the bulls had enough strength and there was no sellers around this price point. So this means there is a shift inside the market, because we can see on this small uptrend channel we have a strong movement to the upside where the price has gone through this strongly monthly resistance, and it has stopped right at 1.08846, where we can see that the price has reversed a little bit back down, forming this bearish pin bar. But then on a Friday there was no enough sellers around this area, and the price continued to move up, where the price has broken above this great resistance again. Let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. On the weekly time frame, after this candle, which was a bearish one in the previous week, the price continued to move up, and we can see what has happened. The price has gone above this monthly resistance, and also the second one, which is a weekly resistance. Now the price stopped right here, which is above this great supply zone. Now let's go and see how this looks on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, based on the previous week analysis, the prices continue to move up, forming this strong bullish candle where the price has gone above this monthly resistance, and it is heading towards the 1.09860, which is the next strong monthly resistance line. So we can see what has happened. The price has gone above this very critical level, 1.076, 1.078, and then above 1.083, 1.086, and it has stopped right here on the next one, which is 1.09. So if we take a look what could happen in the next period until the end of the month, there is a possibility that the price will continue to move up and reach this area around 1.098, which is a confluence of resistance right here. We can see it. But first, after this price area, the price will have issues around this one, which is 1.093, which we see on the lower time frames. But for now, as it looks right now, the price is continuing to move up, and there is a probability that the price will try to reach first one, 1.093, and then we will see is it possible to reach 1.098. But this is visible only on smaller time frames, because we don't know what could happen around this area and also this one area here. After the price reaches this one, we can expect that the price drops down slightly because of the great selling pressure, and also the bulls who have entered into the trade from here and also here, they will try to exit their trades here, which will also trigger a sell-off of the price, and then the price could reverse back down, first around this one here, and then later on around this one, and then this one. But that also depends what will happen on the smaller time frames. Just a minute, let's take a bigger picture. What we can see after the price has broken below from this triangle, we can see it here, the price dropped here, then now it's returning back up. When the price come here, where is the confluence of resistance, the price drops again down. After the price has dropped, we can see it has found a great support visible here, which you could see in the past it has happened also the same. The price is now returning back up, and we can see what has happened in the past. When the price has touched this one, the price is reversed back up here, then again back up here, and also here. So these are the levels what I'm expecting during this month that the price will try and to reach. If we go and I'll take a little bit closer, just a minute to show you. We can see this is the price level where the price had problems, that is 1.089. We can round it to 1.09, and above that where the price has reached in the past, this is the week of this one, and also these are the weeks, and also these are also the weeks. So the price, there is a possibility that the price will reach this area here, which is just around 1.096 I have mentioned. So this is what I'm expecting, what could happen in the following weeks until this month ends. But for now, as it looks, I'm expecting also the price will stop here and bounce a little bit back down, because you can see in this past, when the price touches this price level, the price drop it down, the next attempt go up, and then again go down. In the past, what this has happened, we can see that the price has gone up around this area, the price drops down a little bit, and then reach this price level here. So each time the price had problems going easily through this great resistance line, so I'm expecting the same, that the price will drop down at least to this price level. We can see it here 1.09, and below that is 1.08386, which is also very important levels on the lower time frames. Now we can see on the weekly how this looks, what we can expect. Let's go like this and see how this looks. The weekly time frame has broke above this price level, did not retrace back down, and it has broke above this one also. So in this case, I'm expecting that the price will continue to move up at least to this area here, which is 1.093, and at the top this will be here, starting of this supply zone, which is 1.096, and from there I'm expecting that the price will try and also reverse back a little bit. We can see in the past, when the prices touch this one area here, the price drop it down and then continue to move up. So this is also a possible scenario again. We can see in the next attempt, when the price has gone up, the price reached this start of the supply zone and then back made a retrace down until the price has found enough strength and also buying strength at the demand zone and pushed the price above. So this will be also a very critical level, because of this confluence of resistance. We have three lines. We have horizontal resistance line, we have here this uptrend trend line, which is now acting as a resistance, and also this one, which is a gray blue one, which is a monthly trend line, which is now acting as a resistance. This will be very hard for the price to break above, but if it happens, this will be significant move for the bulls, where the price will continue and return back inside this uptrend channel. We can see it here. Now let's go to the daily time frame and see how this looks. For now, it looks bullish, as at least what I can see. After the price has made a retrace, found a great resistance here, the price returned slightly back down and then formed this great bullish candle on the Friday, which is now suggesting that the price will continue to move up. I am expecting that the price will retrace a little bit back down after the price reaches this one here. And then also the next one where the price will stop with is this here, 1.093, very important and also very known levels from the past. Now after the price makes that retrace, the next one where the price could stop is this one here, which is the start of this supply zone. That is around 1.096 price level, which I have mentioned on the weekly and also monthly time frame, very important levels. We can see this is a very hard resistance area, confluence over resistance I have just mentioned on the weekly time frame, so I'm expecting that the price will bounce back down. In the past, we can see what has happened. First time when the price has reached this area supply zone, the price dropped it down, and the next attempt when the prices try to move up, and that is this case, the price has reached this supply zone and then return back down. So I'm expecting that the price will reach this supply zone and then return back down around 1.09, and then we will see what happens. Will the price manage to stay above this area, above this demand zone, or it will drop down? Based on that, I'm also will base what will happen in the following week. But for now, as it looks, the price will continue to move up on the daily time frame, weekly also, and also the monthly time frame. So I have three time frames that is suggesting that the price will continue to move up and then from here made a retrace back down. So we'll see what happened the next week, but this is the overview. If you would like to get a PDF tutorial I have made for you, you can see also the link below in the description, where you will get a PDF on your email with all the steps how to start trading and also how to use this supply demand zone strategy. So feel free to check it, everything is free for you, just check the link below. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!